I'm at K Street and 8th Street right now. Broken. A broken Polara EN4. The EN4? Broken. It won't work. It's broken. Yep. It's broken right now. Yep, it's broken. Yep, broken. And right here's a Polara EN4. Oh shit, you see all the charger on it, but here's this Watson over here, Polara EN4. Oh my god. This one's broken too. Let's go to this one. See if this one works.
Wait.
This one works.
Wait.
Except it's broken though. It was serving the walk and it said wait while it was serving the walk.
Wait.
It's kind of quiet though. I wonder if it's gonna go off or not. I bet it is. Put it across.
Wait. Traveling west.
Wrong direction. I'm not traveling west.
Wait.
I'm not traveling west.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait. Traveling west. Wait. Traveling west. Wait. Traveling west.
Something's wrong with this Polara button.
Wait.
I'm not going west right now.
Wait.
Rapid tick. So there's a rapid tick. And then here's this one.
Wait. Traveling west.
I'm not traveling west.
Wait.
Another rapid tick. This one doesn't have a countdown even. Like, what the hell? And then this one over here.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait.
So this one, these are all programmed incorrectly.
Wait.
The one over there is correct for west, but right here is actually traveling east. But instead it says...
Wait. Traveling west.
We're not traveling west, we're traveling east.
Wait.
Yeah, just something's wrong with these buttons and all that. It's just, I have no idea what the deal is.
Wait.
Pretty sure this is rapid tick. Yep, it is. Rapid tick. Well, I don't know what's wrong with this button. I'm at a different intersection now. Later.